His name is Rashane Stewart, and he has a passion for the culinary industry. He recently completed his certification with the Culinary Institute of America Pro Chef Level 1. So he's still in a celebratory mood, and it's awesome to have him here on Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. Morning, Rashane.
Good morning.
Wonderful to have you. Talk to me about this journey. You must really feel excited to have accomplished this. What got you involved in culinary in the first place?
Well, first, what got me involved in culinary was my grand aunt.
Okay.
Like, she was the family cook. We have all these family events, and she would be the only person to be
Cooking everything.
cooking everything. So I was saying, who else can do this in the family? So that's where the vision started from.
All right. And I know every chef has like a signature. Can cook everything, but what do you prefer? Pastry? What do you like? What do you like to prepare?
I like to prepare pasta. I love preparing pasta.
Oh, lots, Rashane. Thank God. Come, I love pasta. So what are we doing this morning?
Well, this morning I'm not doing pasta.
Oh.
This morning I'm doing a jerk poached lobster with a Scotch bonnet appleton infused pineapple salsa topped with pickled veg and a coconut pumpkin puree.
Mercy said, no, me can dash with the paper. From him say, lobster, him win me over. Come, Rashane, make we start the cooking.
Right.
Bye, Simone.
Let me just start with the lobster.
Start with the lobster, love.
Sure.
I'm excited. Rashane, that dish that sounds very okay. So that's the
Sure.
butter. We're melting our
Yes.
butter.
And we're adding our seasoning.
That's our onion.
Scallion, onion, thyme, garlic.
Nice. Rashane, it smells good already and it don't start.
That's
I always
good.
tell people, you know, the natural seasoning.
I love the natural
Nothing
seasonings.
beats
Nothing
it, you
beats
know,
it.
in terms of the flavor that comes out of it.
True.
The smell. Lord, we love the powdered seasoning them. I mean, I know why.
I don't know why. I don't really like the powder
In
seasoning.
Jamaica, we must use up with thing, man.
True.
This smells so wonderful.
Thank you.
All right.
And I already made a stock for the lobster.
Okay.
So I'm just going
and
to pour it in.
And that's from the lobster itself?
Yes.
All right.
So I'm just going to pour it in.
Sure. I'm excited. Benji, so you were at Boys Town VTC
Yes, I was.
as a food preparation demonstrator.
Yes, I was.
And then you went to the Culinary Institute of America. You work with Jackie Tyson.
Yes, I have.
Sure. You prepared food for the Jamaica Observer Table Talk. So you've done the rounds. You're at Spanish Court Hotel now,
Yes,
by
I
the way.
am.
Excited about that?
Yes, I am. It's very exciting.
Yeah.
Teaches me how to be very rounded as a chef. Really does.
We have some great chefs in the hotel industry, by the way. I have to say. And I find that in Kingston, the menus are getting a little bit more exciting and tastier.
Very much.
Yes. The first time we just have an event and you go and you eat have an event, but now going to any of our hotels for dinner, lunch, breakfast, really very cool.
And tasty.
And tasty, yes.
Can't forget
What
the
are
flavor.
we adding now?
Okay, I'm making the pineapple salsa. The appleton infused pineapple salsa.
So that's pineapple, of course, and
Yes.
you're adding a little onion,
Onions, parsley,
parsley,
and bell peppers, and scotch bonnet, of course.
and scotch bonnet, of course.
Yes.
While our lobster is over here simmering in our
Yes.
stock. All right. So that's gonna be sweet.
Yes, it's going to be sweet.
Appleton infused.
Yes.
When me done, me I go on my bed to sleep.
And I'm adding a little extra to it. as
Little
well.
extra Appleton infused.
Yes. I soak it from overnight, but I'm adding a little bit more.
When Mr. Allen there, Mr. Allen, me not do no more work for you rest of the day. All right, this. Cool.
As you can see it.
I
Normally-
can't see it, I can't smell it, Rashane.
Normally, I will score it so it doesn't curl up, but I want it to curl up actually.
Oh,
Because of the-
because of how you're gonna
How I'm
serve
going
it.
to present it. You can actually see curling up right now.
Yeah,
I wanted to do that.
you wanted to do
Yes.
that. Oh, nice.
So I can
Rashane
set
know
that
about
there.
him thing, yeah. Rashane know about him thing.
All right, so this is done.
The
You can put this
salsa
over
is
there.
done.
Yeah, that's
All
done.
right.
Okay.
ABC. You see when the chef them come here, they make everything look like ABC, you know, Benji. And you see when I go home and I try it, oh Lord, all when we reach LMNOP, QRSTUP, something goes wrong, soldier, it's not happening. I think a lot of it is prep work though,
Yes.
right? Yeah, a lot
Prep
of it-
is very important.
prep is important. So that's pumpkin.
This is the pumpkin puree I'm going to be making right now.
All right.
This
That's
is the coconut milk, yes.
All right. We're showing some new little things. Them not so bad.
That's good.
So that's the pumpkin and the coconut milk. All right.
We're going to be doing it in our ninja.
In our ninja. All right. There's a plug there, I think.
No.
No? We'll have a plug out the we can't plug out the stove to plug it in.
No, we can't.
No.
All right, so this is finished. Looks nice.
There you go. Here's a plug for your ninja. And the lobster doesn't take long to prepare.
No,
You
it
didn't
does
do any
not.
prepping for it before, just probably
No, I
marinate
just
it.
like marinate it and just score it. That's it.
That's it.
Doesn't take long.
All right, so your ninja is plugged in.
Thank you. The ingredients for this, you're just basically adding what you need. If it's
Okay.
too thick, you can add more coconut milk.
Harry, you need to buy me one of those for my house. Ninja Professional. You see how it works?
It's the best.
You're still stuck on that Christmas dinner that didn't have my arrow. Come on, get over it. We're looking at Easter now.
Season of bun.
I like pumpkin.
I love it too.
Yeah.
Very
pumpkin
nice
is a little
verse.
sweet.
So
Yeah.
this is finished.
Oh, you mean, then Benjamin can't see when do him said the pumpkin and the coconut milk. He put it in the ninja, and now he's adding it to some water on the stove.
Actually, I wanted to kind of.
Make it a little thick.
It was a little bit too
A
thin.
little bit too thin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is
So
finished.
That's finished. Okay. There you go. I'm telling you now, Rasheen, I move at lightning speed. All right, Rasheen, so now we're going to what?
can
We're going to
plate
plate.
right now.
We're going to plate.
So we have our coconut pumpkin puree. We have our apple infused
Yes, I want him
pineapple
to see
salsa.
it.
We have our jerk poach, and we have our pickled veg.
Pickled veg.
Yes.
Wow. What's in that?
This is just red cabbage, and I made a pickle for it.
Red cabbage?
Yes.
Okay.
As you
Never
can,
too old to learn.
I love the color purple, and it gives a purple color.
I never
so
know there was a red cabbage. Is you color the cabbage or the cabbage actually red? Rasheen?
no, it's actually red.
Okay.
It's actually red.
Joe, do you know so they made have red cabbage? I feel like Neville a while ago. But you don't know nothing.
All right. So when you're dealing with ready-to-eat food,
Yes.
gloves important.
Okay.
Anything you're touching to go on the plate,
You must
always
make
have
sure
on
you have on your
gloves.
gloves. Okay. Very important. So I need to get some gloves when Harold is coming over.
yes.
All right.
All right, so we're gonna take some of this. We're just gonna place it on the plate. You can add a little more.
Yeah.
We're just gonna make a slight swirl.
Okay.
We're gonna take our lobster
And put him in the middle?
right in the middle.
Right in the middle. Oh, so I see why you didn't want it
see
to.
yeah. Because I want it to stay just like
stay
that.
just like that.
Okay. So we're just gonna take some,
Of the salsa.
put it right on
Sprinkle
top.
it on top. I mean, we can't say enough. You eat with your eyes. Eh?
Yes, you.
So when you see it, and it has the yellows and the
Yes.
reds and the greens. So,
And my favorite.
the cabbage.
Goes right on top.
Wonderful, Shane. Nice. And that, Jody, come to a picture quick, you know, come here, eat it you know, any minute. So, Rasheen, what's next for you? You're at Spanish Court now.
Sky's the limit.
Yes.
Sky's the limit.
I'm glad you look at it that way. Nice. Great morning. A lot of our young people doing wonderful things, and I like it. When young people focus, you know, and know what them I do, there is no stopping it. Jody, try hurry up. Try me not eat from the back part because try hurry up and come. Try to take the picture, hurry up and come. People, me wait for her to take the picture, you know, for put back. You take it already? Okay. Bless you. Look at Rasheen. Oh my word. Rasheen, I love you with the love of the Lord.
Oh, I love you too.
And that's a wonderful
Isn't
love.
it?
There's my knife. Smile Jamaica. You hear? Appleton infused. If you don't see me come back for sign off, that means I'm gonna sleep. Thank you, Rasheen.
You're welcome.
So check him out at Spanish Court, people.